How can I use audio recordings to enhance study sessions? Have you ever thought about how audio recordings can change the way you study? Let's look at how you can use them to make your study sessions more effective. First, consider recording your lectures or study discussions. This way, you can listen to them later and catch any details you might have missed. It's like having a personal tutor right in your pocket. Listening to your own summaries of key concepts can also be helpful. When you explain something in your own words, it reinforces your understanding. You can play these recordings back while doing chores, exercising, or even commuting. This makes your study time more flexible and efficient. Audio recordings are especially useful for auditory learners. If you find that you remember things better when you hear them, this method is for you. High-quality audio can improve your comprehension. Clear sound helps you pick up on tone and emphasis, which can aid your memory. To get the most out of your recordings, organize them by topic. This makes it easy to find what you need when you are reviewing. You can also combine audio recordings with other study tools like written notes or flashcards. This multimodal approach can help reinforce what you are learning. Another great tip is to record yourself teaching the material. When you explain concepts aloud, it engages your brain in active recall. This technique can help you assess what you know and what you still need to work on. If you are learning a new language, recording your voice can be particularly beneficial. It allows you to track your pronunciation and intonation over time. Listening to your recordings can boost your confidence and improve your speaking skills. When planning your study sessions, think of audio recordings as a supplement to your regular study routine. They allow you to review material at your own pace, ensuring you don't miss any important details. This method supports a more adaptable study routine, helping you manage your time and material effectively. Using audio recordings can truly transform your study experience. By incorporating them into your study sessions, you can create a more engaging and effective learning environment. So grab your recording device and start enhancing your study sessions today.